Our high success rate has a lot to do with our skill and our experience, but we also understand the importance of incorporating good technology to improve our patient experience and have more predictable outcomes. One of our greatest technologies is our 3D cone beam CT scanner. This captures your teeth and your jaws in 3 dimensions and allows us to simulate your implant placement and your extractions before we even start treating you. Along with this, we have our 3D intraoral scanner, which basically captures your jaw and your gums in 3 dimensions as well, but it replaces that putty and that goopy impressions of the past. Our intraoral scanner is also used when we're doing our final restoration phase. So we can take a 3D digital impression of our teeth or of the healed implant to create your final restoration. And we do that all on site with our milling machine. We can create your temporary or your final product all in one day, which means more convenience for our patients and less visits. One of our other great technologies is our microscope. All of our rooms are equipped with a high magnification microscope, which allows us to perform microsurgeries, where fine details of the utmost importance. In the world of implant dentistry, technology is changing and growing very fast. For us, it's a passion. You're always going to see us out lecturing or out educating ourselves on the newest technology because we know the importance of bringing that back to our practices, incorporating it in our everyday work so that our patients get the best care and in the most comfortable way.